Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Addy and welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be starting That Time I Got Reincarnated as a Slime Season 3. So once again, for those of you who are new to my channel, if you guys do end up enjoying this video, do remember to like, subscribe, share, leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys got time, and do remember to hit that notify button, guys, because that would mean a lot to me. Other than that, let's just jump into this first episode, guys. I'm super excited. Let's go. Yes, sir. No way. That's crazy. Hell yeah. Let's go. Opening time, baby. Woo! Let's go. Hey, it's been a while, man. It's been a while. Yo! Yo, this sounds really good, man. Oh my god. Yo, the animation looks fire, bro. Hey, is that a new dragon? That didn't look like Veldora. Oh my god. Whoa. Hey, this is crazy, bro. Hey, this opening sounds really good. I'm loving the animation, bro. A lot of there's a lot going on that we're probably gonna find out in this season. Great opening, great opening. Demon Lord Rimuru. Diablo.
DIABLO よ、貴様はなかなかに義理がたい男のようだ。DIABLO、いるかと思ったら何回分で情報を売った。2回、3回だな。ベルドラ、お前ってさ、別に食事する必要ないよね。問題ではない。俺が食べたいから食べるのだ。
Just want to enjoy that food, man.
だって食事の必要が。ちゃんとリムル様の護衛を務めたのでしょうね。当然です。私とリムル様に与えられた任務はどう？
Yeah, he gave him a mission. Has he already done that? Oh, he's still in the process. Okay.
それにしてもタイミングよく帰ってくるとはな。雑事の際。まあ待てよ、ベルドラ君。待て。わかるか？人の仕事を邪魔してんじゃねえよ。プリンバ。ひどい。ひどすぎるぞ、リムル。それでお前はこんなところで油売ってていいのか？ファルムスの方は大丈夫なのか？殿にも困ったものですね。
God damn, bro. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, what the hell? Yo, what the hell?
うるさいですよ、ゴミが。そうだ、この男。原初の七色の悪魔の一人。
Yep.
だが現に恐ろしきは、この悪魔が使える存在がいるという事実。
Hell yeah.
シオン、やりすぎるなよ。
I want you.
あなた様のしもべの末席に加えてください。まあいいでしょう。ただし、リムル様に対する不敬は許せることになるでしょう。
Damn.
私の忠誠はあなた様のために。私も。私は役に立てますとも。ディアブロ殿の望むように。
Okay.
協力すると約束しようぞ。ご安心を。
God damn, with my unique skill, Tempter. Stopping any betrayal is easy feat. Wow. Yo, Diablo is crazy, bro. This dude is This dude is crazy. Oh, he didn't return him back to normal. Oh, they're trying to establish a good reputation and friendly ties between this kingdom and Tempest. They're doing just as Diablo wanted. It's no mere claim. But not right now. Oh man. Yup. Man, he was pissed. He was pissed. Oh yeah. Oh my god, yo, Diablo's getting... okay. Yo, this guy, he's got a man, he needs to shut up. He needs to shut up, bro. Diablo's about to just... he's about to just kill everyone in there. I mean, that's the best choice you got, unless you guys want to get killed. Good choice. Good choice. Don't let that man speak, bro. He's gonna get everyone killed. Oh my god. Peace talks between representative. Ooh, options. He's got options. Wait, sorry, go back. I missed that. The king must abdicate the nation. So option 2, surrender a nation and become a vassal state. Continuing the war. Oh, damn. What the hell? Bro, that's crazy. One of the options is for the kings to renounce himself. That's insane, bro. Oh my god. Logistical issues are known for as a great. Remember. We're not playing, bro. They're not playing. Oh my god. Dog, like y'all chose to mess with the wrong kingdom. 10,000. 1 trillion yen. That's crazy. Yep, and try to negotiate on top of that. Oh my god, yo, that's crazy, man. Oh man. Great first episode. Diablo, man, I love this guy. I love Diablo's character. Like, not only is he strong, but this dude can negotiate, he can manipulate, and he can get shit done. This man can get shit done. Like, this dude is so smart. Like, getting them on to work as Diablo servants was definitely a good idea, because they can negotiate with Admeris. And Diablo, man, this dude is so funny, but he's so damn good. And I love how he's just like, if they don't comply, it's over. It's over for y'all. Like, he is ruthless, right? He is ruthless. So I just love how Diablo is just getting his shit done, you know? I love the way he functions, and his character is so damn cool. I just love it. And on top of him being powerful, like, he's definitely one of my favorite characters in the show. Yeah, guys, great first episode. There's a lot going on, but I can understand why Rimuru and, you know, Tempest itself, why they're pissed off at this kingdom. You know, they literally launched a surprise attack on these guys last season and killed, honestly, a bunch of people in the kingdom. So I get why they're so pissed. You know, you should not mess with Rimuru or Tempest. Like, that's like the last kingdom that you'd want to mess with, and they just chose to mess with them. So this is what they get, honestly. So they're lucky that they're even getting the opportunity to negotiate. But as Diablo was talking about, like, the only scenario that will play out is for the king to renounce himself, and a lot of shit is gonna go down when that happens. You know, everyone's gonna kind of put the blame on the king when he does renounce himself. But yeah, crazy things are about to go down. I've always loved this show, man. So once again, guys, for those of you who did enjoy this reaction video, do remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment down in the comment section if you guys got time. If there's anything that I missed, anything that I should know before I go to the next episode, you know, just leave a comment down in the comment section. I'll definitely check that out. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in my next reaction video. Peace.